Then you get the answer of twice A share. So 2A equals to 3B minus 200, right? Solve this. What is A? X. So 2x equals to 3 into 200 minus x minus 200. Solve this again. 3 to the 6. 600 minus 3x minus 200. Take x on one side. So first solve this. 600 minus 200 is 400 minus 3x. And here 2x as it is. So take 3x on this side. It becomes 2x plus 3x equals to 400. So 2x plus 3x, 5x equals to 400, x equals to 400 by 5, that is 80. So A share is 80. So what we want? So A share is 80. And what is given? So A share is 120. So that is false. Because B share is 120 actually. 200 minus 80 equals to 120. So this statement is false. C. Next, Madhulika thought of a number, then doubled it and added 20 to it. On dividing the resulting number by 25, she gets 4. Hence the required number is 45. Here, number is thought, double it, then added 20 to it. So let the number be x. Double that number, that is 2x, and add 20 to it, 2x plus 20. So this much is okay. On dividing the resulting number by 25, so 2x plus 20, divide this whole by 25, she got 4. So equals to 4, right? Arrange the equations as they are given in the problem. So 2x plus 20 by 25 equals to 4. Solve this. 25 on this side, 2x plus 20 equals to 80. So 2x equals to, take 20 on this side, 100 minus 20, 80. 2x equals to 80. So x equals to 80 upon 2, that is 40. But what is given? Required number is 45. So the answer is false. Download Yuva app from Play Store to get his videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. I would also suggest learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. But do it with a discipline. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.